What's up, guys? Crypto Toilet here again. Also known as Simple J. As you all know, that the best is what I want for you guys, and I really want us to make money this year, so that at the end of it all, there will be cause to at least glorify the name of the Lord, that we were able to make money. And another coin I just discovered, which I would like to bring to your notice, I just found another good gem, and in fact, this gem is currently on top exchanges and might be listed on even Binance very soon. So before that, the coin is actually a brother of Shiba Inu. All right. So, and what's so surprising is this coin has been listed on top big central exchanges. Immediately, like I told you, quality gems are always on Ethereum, but this coin is on Ethereum. But I'm just happy that the fact that this coin has been listed on major exchanges, it means it's now easier for us to quickly buy this coin on those exchanges rather than buying it on Uniswap. And what is the name of this coin? The name of this coin is what? Kishu Inu. All right. The name of the coin is Kishu Inu. All right. So, all right. The name of the coin is actually Kishu Inu. From what we can see here, Kishu Inu, all right, you can see Kishu Inu is already at 131%, and you can see it counting the zeros, because I like coin with many zeros. The reason is for it to cancel when this coin cancels 1 0, that is 10%. In fact, when this coin crosses from 0 to cancel 1 0 to another 2, that is 10 times. So I love coins with at least 7 zeros. It's always good. That is what you should watch while trying to buy chalets at times. The zero matters, but because when the coin is already you just have about just 3 to 4 zeros, that means that's cancel a lot of the zeros. So when the coin is 1 quadrillion and it still have 7 zeros before it, it's a good coin. Most especially when the number of holders have increased. Maybe the number of holders is already at 6,000, 7,000. The coin has potential was to moon really bad, because, and again, like I said, I'm still going to be doing a version 3 of my Shalaye version 3, discovering Shalaye the version 3. I'm still going to be doing it, which we're going to be uncovering good coins, how to make good coins on Ethereum. All right. So you can see this one that we have 7 zeros, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and the last number is 8. It's still new, very fresh. And Kishu Inu is a very, very good coin. If you come to the about, you can see it. Kishu Inu is Doge's little brother and Okex best friend. You can see Okex is one of the coin on Ethereum blockchain that really mooned badly and made a lot of people money. In fact, a friend of mine put $200, and the $200 enter about more than $15,000. This is Kishu Inu too, all right? And you can see Kishu Inu is Doge's little brother and Okex best friend. We asked our big brother to rework some tokenomics to make a Doge deflatory, but it's not possible. In light of this, Kishu was born. You can see it. So let's forget this English. How can we buy Kishu Inu? Because Kishu Inu is on Ethereum, and Ethereum gas fees high. So there's a way we go about it. We go to market. Where are we going to buy it? We are going to buy it from Okex. Please check the link in the video description and register with that link. It's my ref link just to support me. You can register and fund your. It's not a must actually, but you can just do that. So there are a lot of exchanges. Imagine, look at the exchanges they've listed this coin, and this coin is still at very, very cheap. This is the best time to buy this coin. Even if it is $50 what you buy, fine. It's 1 quadrillion. So what are we gonna do? I prefer buying from Okex, because Okex is another top exchange like Binance. So, and besides, we can buy with USDT, Bcase also. Well, but I prefer Okex. But liquidity is much on Bcase, so we can either choose Bcase or we can either choose Okex. But if you look at the volume on Okex, OKEX, you will see that the volume on Okex is 47 million. All right. Yeah, 47 million. So we're gonna use Okex. All right. So we have to register on Okex. Okay. So how do you go about it? You just follow the link and register on Okex. And as for me, I already registered on Okex. All right. I already registered on Okex. As for me, all right, you can see I've already registered on Okex. You can see, as you can see, I've already registered. You can see it. So just normal registration, but I just want to show you something. I've not done verification. Oh, let me pause this video. Okay. So you can see it after verifying. All right, you have to go to this place at the top, as in this place. You have to go to this place. All right, because you have to set up your what are they calling it? Security. When you go to security, they will ask you to I'm using gesture. They will ask you to do two things. We have Google Authenticator, XMS authentication. All right. So this is the two things we really need to do. All right. So for XMS, I click on XMS. Let me see the email authenticator. Email has been verified, and XMS. I love using XMS authenticator. And for the XMS, I'm in Nigerian. I just choose Nigeria. Just choose Nigeria. I put my phone number. All right. And they will send SMS code. So let me just. All right, you can see that I've done the SMS verification. The next is Google Authenticator. I love maximum security. All right, I love maximum security. Well, I don't know if you can see it, but if you can see this, definitely when I click on that, okay, when I click on DAK, Okex, what are they calling it? Okex gave me a code, a Google Authenticator code, which I opened my Google Authenticator app. You have to download Google Authenticator app from Play Store. If you download Google Authenticator app from Play Store, you have to open it. You will see at the top left, at the top right, you will see where the right plus. Click on the plus. When you click on the plus, it will ask you for, maybe I should just screenshot it and show you something. Well, it does not allow me to screenshot, but you see a plus sign. If you click on the plus sign, they will bring two options. It will tell you to enter a setup key or scan. So we are not going to scan because you are on our mobile phone. So all you have to do is click on enter a setup key. Then it will bring you to this page. I don't know if you're able to see it, but in case you are not seeing it, the page will show enter account details. On the first box, you will see where to write account name. On the second box, you will see where to write your key. On the account name, all right, you have to put just the name of the exchanger, maybe Okex or any name you will remember, which we use to identify the Google Authenticator key, because I'm using the Authenticator key for different exchanges. So just put the name, any name, or the name of the exchange. But on the key, the code Okex gives to you is what you will put there. Please, that code, make sure you save it in somewhere safe. It can be, and you can open a fresh email account and save it maybe in your draft. But I don't save my own in my draft though. You can save it anywhere. A fresh email you don't use for anything. Don't use the email to do any registration. You can just save, but just know the email login details. Just save it in your draft and identify it for the exchange it's meant for. Whatever. Please don't save your password in your email. Please don't save your password for any exchanges. Always know your password and your email for exchanges offhand. And those password and email you use for exchanges, don't use them to do any registration online. Please. Always dedicate them. Don't use them for any other registration online than exchanges. And don't just register on any exchanger, alright? Please register on popular exchanges which they can't hack your account. Don't register on any exchanges, any exchanges that might just spam your hack your account. All right, so please. So on where they write the key, post the code there that Okex will give you that on their Google Authenticator page. Paste it there and save that code, because if you lost your phone and you want to log in on Okex on another phone, they will ask for Google Authenticator key, and the only way you can get Google Authenticator key is you can just quickly download Google Authenticator app on that phone, then set new one up, but you'll be asked to provide that code which Okex gave you the first time you're setting it up. If you can't find it, if you have billions of coins in that Okex account, you might not be able to log into our account again. That is the thing. So please make sure you keep this code somewhere else, alright? So I can't show you my own code because it's very, very risky. So that's why I will have to pause this video before I put everything in. While putting the code in, you will see where the right time base. Leave it to that time base. Don't change that time base, alright? Then click on add. Automatically, you start seeing code that will start changing. So always be fast to put code. So they will ask you to put the code there, alright? Let me go back to Okex. Alright, so Okex will ask you to put the verification code and put your phone number. Just put your phone number, put the verification code, SMS verification code, and we ask you to put the Google Authenticator verification code, which you go back to the Google Authenticator app and quickly copy the code and put it in that place. Alright, but from here you can see that I've already set up my Google Authenticator, which is very, very simple. Then here I will click on mandatory 2FA. Me, I like using two-factor authenticator. Alright, so they will ask for Google authenticator code anymore. I will go and copy it again and paste. Let me pause this. So you can see that I've turned my mandatory two-factor authenticator on. I'm done with the settings here, right? This KYC verification, I've not really done KYC verification. And from what you can see from the KYC verification, it's not really necessary though. I've only done the first one that they also ask me to provide basic details about which is approved already. The other verification, which is level 2, is to increase my withdrawal to 500 BTC, which is not necessary. I never even get 1 BTC self. Now I come and get 100 BTC. So that one is not necessary. The next thing we have to do is we have to go to our art set. Alright, deposit. Alright. You have to deposit what is this thing saying? Feed flat reward status is required, but it was missing. And what is this thing saying? Alright, since my version of this thing is alright, it's okay. Just click on USDT. Since I will have to update my app though, so click on deposit USDT. Okay, but make sure you're using the latest app. Alright, now this we have to deposit USDT. See, when you want to deposit USDT, like I did a video on how to deposit on Shitcoin. It's the same thing here. The USDT we are going to deposit here is TLC USDT. So the reason why we're going to deposit TLC USDT because it is cheaper and it is faster. All right. If it's a deposit Binance matching USDT, I'm not sure they have Binance matching, but let me click and see if they have. All right, you can see that they are not supporting Binance matching USDT. They are supporting CR20, which is Ethereum based. All right. So we can't Ethereum based Ethereum transaction fee cost. So we have to go for TCL20, and how to do that? We just move and we need to go and do that from Binance. All right, we have to move our coin. Go and watch the Shitcoin video I did for you. It's the same process. Just from Binance, when you want to withdraw your coin, just come here, copy the address. This is for Tron. TCL20 is Tron. So whenever I want to withdraw to our Binance, we have to choose TCL20 USDT. When I want to withdraw USDT, so I will go and fund this account from Binance. I will move coin from Pancakeswap. I will move BUSD from Pancakeswap to Binance. Then from Binance, you convert the BUSD. You convert the BUSD to USDT, which is very, very simple. All right. You just send to Binance. You come to Binance. Once you come to Binance, it is very simple. I won't do the video on that again because I've done video on how to use Binance. Okay, you should know it. This is very, very simple. It's very, very simple. You just have to go to this search here. All right, just type. Maybe you found BUSD. You just type BUSD US. You see it. You bring USDT out. You click on it. Definitely, maybe you found your Binance with your BUSD. BIP20, please don't make that mistake. If one of so you found it, like you go to this Binance list of wallets, you will see BUSD, then you copy your address, you will make sure you select BSC, BIP20 BSC. Copy it, you go to Pancakeswap if you are Trust Wallet rather, or anywhere you have your BUSD, then you move BUSD to that, you send it to that wallet address. To come to Pancakeswap, to come to Binance. Once it's on Binance, you click, you will search for this BUSD/USDT. You click on buy. All right. Once you click on buy, you will click on sell rather. You will see your BUSD will appear. All right. Don't waste your time. Just click on market. You should click on market. Put the amount of BUSD you want to sell. The amount of you click on buy rather. Okay, sell rather. So your BUSD will be here. All right. So if it is everything you want to convert, just click on 100%. Once you click on 100%, it will help you to calculate the amount of BUSD you want to sell, right? So since we are trying to sell our BUSD, just click on 100%. It will put all of them the equivalent in USDT. Just click on sell. Automatically to convert it to USDT. Once you convert it to USDT, all you just have to do is you just scroll to withdraw. You just scroll to withdraw. All right, just scroll to withdraw. Okay, so you just scroll to withdraw. All right, once you scroll to withdraw, you just go and look for your USDT. All right, once you look for USDT, you just paste the TCL20 address you copy. you paste it here. Automatically it will help you to select TSL20, then you put the USDT here. If it is 100 or any amount, just put it right there. Then you will see that they will only charge 1 USDT because TSL20 is very cheap. Just click on withdraw. Alright, just click on this withdraw, and once you click on withdraw, it will go once and for all. It will be processed immediately. Alright, once it's processed immediately, you will see everything right there. Once it's been processed, you will see everything right there. Everything will come. You will see your balance will show. Alright, so now you will have to move it because your BUSD, you know, this it's something like Shitcoin. You click on transfer. You have to click on transfer, right? Then you move it from funding account. Okay, from the funding account, you will move it token. You will select USDT. All right, then to trading account. Then the amount, you will click on transfer or to move everything and click on confirm. Once you click on confirm, then you will now come to market down here. Then once you come to market down here, they will ask you to add favorite, all this blah blah blah. This favorite down here. We don't need this. You come to sports. Once you come to sports, all right, you see everything right there. You just click on this search icon. You click on Kish, all right, Kishu. You can see Kishu slash. You can see Kishu slash USDT, all right. Just click on Kishu, all right. So this is the Kishu market. You can see Kishu, how Kishu has been growing. You click on buy. Once you click on buy, all right. So you will see the price here. Kishu. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Kishu is now 0.17, which is good for us, good entry for us. But you can see the people right here. This is the highest bidder that I want to buy, 0.169, and somebody is asking for 0.17. So what is going to happen is this. So what's going to happen is, oh God, trade. So what is going to happen is this place, you can see the price here, the price they are willing to sell here. So what you are going to do is you can just click on market by order, so that you just buy once. Since if you don't want to wait long, you want to buy immediately, just click on this drop down icon right here, this drop down, and select market order. Then just put the amount. If you click on 100%, if you click on this 100%, it will use all your USDT and buy for you. Then you click on buy Kishu Inu, all right. But if you don't want to buy at 0.171 and you want to buy at 0.178, 168, or you want to set your own price, then click on the limit by order. Click on this limit by order. Then set your own price there. You can just set your own price like 1.6 or 1.5. If you believe it will fall to 1.5, then put your icon here, okay, and press the amount of this thing you want to buy there, Kishu, or just click on 100%. It will help you to fill it with the price based on the amount you have on your wallet account. Then you click on buy Kishu Inu. Once you are done, click on your assets here. You will see all the funds you have here. Okay, you will see everything you have. But if you mark all this hide zero balance, small balance, it will not show any balance that is zero. But if you unhide it, you will see everything. If I unhide it now, if I unhide it right here, you see I will see all these things. But because I don't want to be seeing 00 softs, you can just click on hide, alright? So you won't see anything, but then you'll be seeing Kishu Inu because you already bought it. But you can't withdraw the Kishu Inu to your, you can withdraw to your Trust wallet, but I won't advise you to withdraw to your Trust wallet yet because the transaction fee will be high. So it's better just leave it on Okex, okay, so that you can easily sell it. Maybe when the price goes up, you can sell. If it's moon, you can convert to USDT. If it comes down again, you can buy again and buy the same quantity, you sell again, and you have some profit. So that's just how to buy Kishu Inu. But it's a good coin with huge potential, which is still moon, like Shiba. So that is just, in as much top exchanges has listed it, definitely other exchange will list it very soon. So that is just how to buy Kishu Inu. Thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful night, trust. And please don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel, share the video, like, follow me on Twitter, and follow me on subscribe to our Telegram channel and follow us on Telegram group. Check the Telegram pin post. You will see a link to our WhatsApp group there. You can join if you've not joined any of our WhatsApp group before, right? So thanks for watching. Do have a wonderful night, trust.